Hey, what's up? This is why you don't put stop leak in a radiator. 2007 Toyota Camry, 203,000 miles. I don't know if you can see down in there. That is water. They put stop leak inside their car. What do you think stop leak does and then the car sat for a while? It stopped everything up. You see it pretty good here. That's cylinder number 3. This car needs an engine. Don't put stop leak in your stuff. It stopped all this up, went through the engine, blew the head gasket. Now you're no telling what other damage it did. Probably stopped up all the journals and stuff inside there. Oops, spark plug.